Solving cubes while juggling Mills mess. In 2016, Leo Weston, aka Rubo shook the world with his video in which he appeared to solve 3 Rubik's cubes while juggling Mills mess in 20 seconds. Oh, I've just done the same thing, except I didn't. And neither did Leo. He had crafted a very convincing video edit. But really though, can it be done? Okay, 1 cube, 1 turn, let's go. Catch it there and make the turn there. No, that's not right. Bit sketchy, but made a turn. Let's do 2 now. So I'm solving 1 with my right and 1 with my left this time. Two solved. Time for 3. So this is tricky, and the reason it's tricky is that each of the cubes does its own thing. They're each travelling in a different pattern. That's different from normal juggling, where each of the objects does the same thing. Done. 3 cubes solved while juggling Mills mess. 1 turn each. Not quite Leo Weston. Not fake. Will anyone ever solve 3 fully scrambled cubes while juggling Mills mess? Well, possibly. I may have an update before too long. We'll see. But in 20 seconds, I don't think so.